Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download in Canva as PDF. First, log into your Canva account and then open your design. So this is my design. It's an Instagram carousel post, and now I want to download this design in Canva as a PDF. So first click here, the share button, and now click the download button and click the file type. Here you will find a lot of file types available here. PNG and JPG are the two most common file types, but we want to download this Canva file as PDF. So there are two types of PDF file option. First is PDF standard and then PDF print. So we need to download as PDF standard. So click here, and now we can just click here to download the whole design of my PDF from the Canva design. So click here, and now it has been downloaded. Now open the design. So this is my PDF from the Canva. So this way we can download in Canva as PDF. It's very simple. But I need to make sure another thing. First click here and click here, and once selecting the PDF standard, here you will find one, two, three, four types of options. First one is compressed PDF. So if you select this type, your PDF file size will be very small, but maybe the quality will be loose. But if you select this flatten PDF, it will be very high quality PDF, as this content will be converted as high quality image and then it will be downloaded. So there are other two options. If your design has some notes, then you can select it so that you can download it with the notes. And another thing, you can also download your file with password protection, so that once someone click to open your file, he needs to put the password what you have given here from this option. So these four options are also available for you, and you can keep this in mind. If you need this, you can use one of these options available. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. I will read and reply your comment.